बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस।
वालेकुम सलाम बेटे।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
मम्मा पीछे से
How are you all
कैमरा
बेटे?
खोल रखना।
थोड़ा सा उस तरफ होकर बैठ जाओ कि अगर मैं भी आ रही हूँ तो डिस्टरबेंस ना हो। और घर में काम हो रहा है।
Okay. Let all the students join the class. We'll start it. Hamad bete, do recitation.
ओके टीचर। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कुल हुवल्लाहु अहद अल्लाहुस समद लम यलिद वलम यूलद वलम यकुल लहु कुफुवन अहद। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
Sadaqallahul Azim. Subhanallah bete. Yes, Aima, you joined second time the class. All the topics are clear to you? Did you understand all the topics? Unmute yourself.
टीचर
Aima, unmute yourself.
टीचर हमारे रूम में तो कोई नेहा बास आई है टू रेड की।
Bete, Wafa joined it. Not Neha Abbas, Wafa is joining. Aima, unmute yourself, bete. Now do let me know how many topics we did. How many topics we did, bete? Topics share करें Aima. Okay, who will let me know how many topics we did? Yes, Shamir, do let us know how many topics we did.
टीचर 4 5 टीचर 5
Which one? Name them.
adverb preposition picture composition
Okay, and which one?
and teacher हमने teacher what a second teacher composition and
Picture composition. Okay, very good.
teacher
Okay, Fahad, unmute yourself.
yes miss
Bete, don't send your homework through WhatsApp. I will not give marks to you. Send it through university. You all know about the school software, school site. Send the homework through university. जी बेटे.
मिस मगर मेरा यूनिवर्सिटी का चेक नहीं हो रहा
Why बेटे?
पता नहीं
It's
सेंड करो मगर
again sign in with the ID. Send me your ID. You did never share it to me that university ID is not working. You did not share previously this with. आपने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
मिस अपने हेल्पलाइन से बात करी थी फिर वो सही हो गया तो वो अब हम आपको रात तक भेज देंगे सारा।
Okay, fine. Now you can send now.
I will send you today at night.
Okay, fine. Okay, today is a revision day. So if you wish to ask any question about any topic, you can ask today. It's a revision day. So raise the hand and ask the question. Any topic which is unclear. जी हम मार्क देते हैं.
मिस आज आपको जिन बच्चों ने कल स्पीच सुनाई थी आपको स्पीच सुननी थी ना.
Ahmad, you are speaking too slowly. Speak louder. आपकी आवाज समझ में नहीं आई. You are not audible, Ahmad. Speak loudly.
ओके टीचर. मिस आपको आज स्पीच सुननी थी ना सब बच्चों से जिन्होंने कल नहीं सुनाई थी.
Definitely they'll be sharing it. But before that, I really want to know if any topic you did not understand. Because speech one practice we are doing daily now, and final one will be having, inshallah, after Eid and after exam. So still we have the time for it. But do let me know any topic which will come in assessment.
ओके मिस
If you ask any question about it,
मिस मुझे नो
sure.
I understand all the topic. I have
Or
understood all the topic.
all of you understood all? G Kirat. पूछिए किरत.
टीचर कुछ नहीं.
किरत, you are not audible बेटे. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. Okay. जी फहद, आप पूछे. Do you wish to ask any question?
Preposition का.
Which one?
Preposition थोड़ा सा.
Okay. Wafa, yes, ask the question, Wafa.
Teacher, I don't understand composition.
Composition. Composition we did only two. An application writing and picture composition in paragraph 1. We did not do more. What you did not understand in that? Composition में आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया बेटे?
टीचर के composition क्या होता है?
Compositions are the writings. For example, paragraph writing, picture composition, essay writing, letter writing, application writing. These all are writings. Composition means writings, a kind and type of writing. Am I clear? Today I'm using my mobile data na bete. We have signal issue and my internet and data is not working properly. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Let the yesterday participant complete their speech. Wait. Sorry, student. My hotspot is not working properly. Now I'm not getting the signal. Okay, yes, Shamir. Shamir, बेटे.
आपकी आवाज क्लियर. मैं आपसे यही कह रहा था आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Yes, बेटे, I'm having an internet connection issue now. Today I'm connected through my mobile data. My Wi-Fi is not working properly. Now, am I audible? Okay, Ahmad. Today is Ahmad's turn to do the speech. So Ahmad, are you ready? Show thumbs up sign to me if you are ready. Okay. Now unmute yourself. I will record your speech. जी बेटे.
मैं आपको सुनाना शुरू करूँ स्पीच?
Yes.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ahmad from Air 5 Red. Today's my topic is, does technology help people or isolate them? Well, I think technology isolated people. Although technology has helped the world to stay connected even when there is a long distance, but its obsession has created isolation from the society. During social gatherings, people are together but are isolated by being buried in their technological devices. I think uncontrolled usage of technology is the is the main reason is the main reason for social isolation. Technologies that infuse social gathering, social isolation, internet, computers, cell phones, video game, etc. Effects of social isolation: depression, anxiety, and lack of confidence, lack of time management, less exercise of body movement, and more eating fast food. Technology has improved our society in many ways, but people should be able to put their technological on side and focus on maintaining their relationships and an active, healthy lifestyle. Thank you.
Okay, Ahmad. You did not learn by heart. You have to learn the content. As I told everyone, you all should learn material. अगर आप mind अगर इस तरह से stuck होके आप read करेंगे ना, it just look like that you are reading right now. ठीक है ना? Never use piece of paper in hand. Everything should be in mind of yours. आप देखें इस तरह आप कैमरे को फेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. You're looking at the paper. So try not to use the flashcard and piece of paper during the speech time. Are you getting me? Are you getting it?
Yes.
The content which you are using, it's really good. But try not to read it. Give a speech. So when we give a speech, we should present. And how do we present? By standing properly, by looking at properly, by facing camera, by using face expression, by using hand gestures, each and everything you have to use. Okay. Yes. Fahad, you wish to ask about any topic? Then lower the hand. Ji Wafa bete, which topic you did not understand? Okay. I'm asking about all the topic. I want everyone thumbs up if you understood, or if you did not, raise hand. Okay? Okay. Adverb and kinds of adverb we did. Clear to you all? Adverb. Sure? Okay. Let me ask a question to you. What is adverb of time? Shamir, use thumbs up option. Don't use your thumbs. Please. Zoom option. Okay. That's great. G. Now do let me know what is adverb of time. Who will let me know? I'm a adverb of time. बताइए बेटे.
Teacher, I don't understand adverb. Can you help me?
When I was asking the question to you, did you understand? You did not share at the time. क्यों? Okay, I'm a beta, you did not give the assessment as well. Okay, yes, Shamir will give the review. Shamir, start the revision, beta.
Teacher, adverb of time. If time like today, I had to tomorrow I will be
Very
do
good.
in past tense, past future or present. Teacher, it was like that.
Okay, very good. Yes, Wafa bete, do let me know more about it. What is adverb of time?
Adverb of time. Time when did I do the work?
Okay, that's really great. Yes, Ahmad, what is adverb of manner?
Yes, miss.
Adverb of manner, what is this? बताएं बेटे.
Yes, miss. What happened?
What is adverb of manner? Do let us know. Okay, Ali Ahmed, you tell bete.
टीचर एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर डिस्क्राइब्स दैट हम किस मैनर में बात कर रहे हैं लाइक शी इज वेरी गुड गर्ल शी टॉक्स वेरी but she talks very slowly.
So, where is adverb of manner in the sentence?
Teachers talking slowly.
Okay, that's really good. So, in this sentence, slowly is adverb of manner and it is describing how the girl is speaking. Am I clear? Adverb of manner describes us how action takes place, like slowly, very fast. Okay. Okay. Adverb of time. It talks about time when an action takes place. Adverb of place. Ji Kirat, do let me know. Kirat bete, what is adverb of place? She's stuck. Ji Aima, you tell bete. Did you understand adverb now? बताएं बेटे.
Teacher, adverb of place is just like I am going to London.
No, where is adverb in the sentence? Where is adverb in the sentence?
Going.
Going is a verb, my dear, action going on. Adverb is not the action verb. ठीक है? Okay. We also did adverb of place. It talks about where an action takes place. Like, I put the cat under the table. I placed a cup of tea on the table. Fine. The cat sits under the table. I went to Karachi yesterday. Which adverb it is? बताइए बेटे. Who will let us know? Okay, Wafa is raising the hand. Ji Wafa. I went to Karachi
Please
yesterday.
repeat the question.
I went to Karachi yesterday. What is adverb in the sentence?
When.
Do let me know, bete, adverb. In this sentence, what is an adverb? Bete, be attentive,
When.
Hamad, and all the students. And all the students should stay away right now. Hamad, please. You are taking the class right now. It's come on, it's not the play area, bete, Hamad. Be attentive. Ji, Wafa, bete, answer the question.
When.
He went to Karachi yesterday. Who will let me know? Ali Ahmed, आप बताएं. Bete, after 5 days, we have the assessment. You all are not revising it.
Yesterday.
So yesterday, which adverb it is?
Adverb of time.
Okay, very good.
Teacher.
Adverb of time.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Kirat, did you? Okay, adverb. The topic is clear to everyone. If you understood the topic, raise the. If you don't understood, please raise the hand. If you understood, thumbs up. Okay. Preposition. Did you understand preposition? Huzaifa, briefly describe it. What is a preposition?
Yes, teacher.
What is a preposition?
Preposition. Preposition is a
Very good.
word that which joins a sentence. Yeah. Preposition. Preposition joins to sentence.
That is conjunction. No, that is not preposition. Two sentences are conjoined by conjunction, not preposition. Okay, it's not the function of preposition. ठीक है. Hamad, आप बताइए, what is a preposition?
मिस preposition होता है जो वर्ब और नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है. preposition describe verb and noun.
No. Hamad, you are not practicing. Fahad, let us know what is a preposition. Are you all practicing the topics? Ji, Fahad.
Yes, miss.
What is a preposition?
Miss, preposition describe noun and pronoun.
You are near to it, but it's not the clear definition, please. Yes, Shahmir, what is a preposition? Ji, bete. We have only 2-3 minutes, bete. Quickly. Okay, Wafa, speak up now.
Preposition contains preposition contains more than 2 words.
It does, bete. But what is the correct function of the preposition?
Preposition.
Where do we place preposition?
Preposition make a sense of sentence.
No, where do we place preposition in a sentence? हम सेंटेंस में preposition कहाँ प्लेस करते हैं? Where do we place?
In afterward.
No. Think about it.
In center.
In a sentence, we place preposition before
Before noun.
Okay, that's really great. This is the current position of the preposition. We place it before noun or pronoun. ठीक है ना? Why do we place it? To create relationship of noun or pronoun with other words. For example, he lives in Karachi. So Karachi is a noun and in. The preposition is working as a bridge word. Fine. वो कराची का लिंक क्रिएट कर रहा है किससे? अदर वर्ड से. Am I clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
We have studied 3 types of preposition: simple, double and compound.
Teacher.
जी बेटे.
टीचर कल जब मैंने स्पीच सुनाई थी तो आपने कहा था कि learn that speech by heart. So I learned it.
Very good बेटे. Do you wish to speak right now?
Yes.
Okay, start now. I'm recording it. Come on, start.
A very good evening to all. I am Abbas Imam, a student of grade 5 red. Today I would like to share my speech on topic responsibilities make a student more responsible. Student responsibilities occurs when a student take an active role in their learning. Some basic responsibilities are academic integrity, attend your classes on time, complete your task on time, complete your assignments on time, show good behavior, communicate in a careful and respectful manner. Thank you.
Very good, Wafa beti. Excellent job. Today you have learned by heart and the expression was very nice. Very good. Excellent job, Wafa. You have improved now. Okay. Anyone else wish to share?
Teacher,
जी बेटे.
I share you the video.
Very good. In WhatsApp?
Teacher, time is up.
Yes, I know bete.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else wish to share their video of speech? You can share through WhatsApp to me.
Teacher,
Fine, my dear.
you something?
Okay. Take good care of yourself. The class time ended now, bete. Ji.
Teacher, I would like to say, teacher, that teacher, हमारे स्कूल खुल रहे हैं क्या?
Bete, you will be getting the intimation from the new, like the news channel and from the school administration. Fine. We are not discussing about this phenomenon right now. ठीक है?